Are you ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game to new heights? Say hello to the Weber 36-inch gas griddle, a culinary powerhouse that will revolutionize the way you grill, sear, and sizzle. In this review, we'll explore why this versatile griddle is a game changer for backyard chefs, how its innovative features ensure fast, even heat distribution, and why it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their outdoor entertaining to the next level. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Unleash your culinary creativity. Let's start with what matters most, the food. With the Weber 36 inches gas griddle, the possibilities are endless. From scrambled, cheesy eggs to crisp bacon, toasted Italian paninis to juicy smashed burgers with caramelized onions, you'll be amazed at the culinary creations you can whip up on this versatile cooking surface. Say goodbye to boring grilled fare and hello to restaurant-quality meals right in your backyard. Fast, even heat. One of the keys to culinary success is achieving fast, even heat distribution, and the Weber 36 inches gas griddle delivers on all fronts. With its specially engineered 4-burner system generating 60,000 BTUs, you'll enjoy edge-to-edge heat reaching over 500 F in no time. Whether you're searing a salmon fillet or flipping a batch of burgers, you can trust that your food will cook evenly and to perfection every time. Easy cleanup and maintenance. Nobody likes spending hours scrubbing grease and grime off their grill, which is why the Weber 36 inches gas griddle is designed for easy cleanup and maintenance. The out-of-the-way corner grease chute and high-capacity front access grease tray prevent spills and splatters, making cleanup a snap. Plus, the durable aluminized steel cookbox construction prevents corrosion and supports the longevity of the grill, so you can enjoy years of delicious outdoor cooking. Convenience and versatility. With its hinged cover, sturdy side tables, and built-in hooks for storing spatulas and other tools, the Weber 36 inches gas griddle is designed with convenience and versatility in mind. Whether you're prepping, cooking, or serving, you'll appreciate the extra workspace and storage options that this griddle provides. Plus, the large sturdy wheels make it easy to move your griddle across the patio or yard, so you can entertain guests with your newfound griddle skills. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Weber 36 inches gas griddle is a must-have for anyone who loves outdoor cooking and entertaining. With its fast, even heat distribution, easy cleanup and maintenance, and convenient features, it's a game changer for backyard chefs everywhere. Say goodbye to boring grilled fare and hello to restaurant-quality meals right in your backyard with the Weber 36-inch gas griddle. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.